going on, guys? David Falla here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. Today I'm super excited because we're going to be unboxing the new Wahl Cordless Legend. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. How I said on the intro, I'm super excited. I've been waiting for this clipper for so long. Even before you guys heard about that it was going to be released, I was told by Wahl that this clipper was in the works, so I was super excited. That was like 2 years ago, so I'm so excited to finally be able to get my hands on one. I literally just got it in the mail this morning, so I'm super pumped to be able to unbox it. And we're gonna just do a first impression today because I literally haven't used it. It's brand new, I haven't touched it. And I'm going to start using it, and then I will be doing a review after a couple of weeks, maybe a month, where I can actually use it, I can actually put it to the test. I can allow my some of my barbers to use it as well, just to make sure that we can give you the best feedback and let you guys know if it's worth buying it or not. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. So the box is very good. It's a nice box. It's just the same, like kind of the same theme that Wahl has been doing with all their clippers, which actually I like it. It's good. It's clean. It's better than it was before, definitely. I was not a fan of the packaging back in the day, but I really like what Wahl has been doing lately. It's not the greatest packaging. I think all the companies have done that a lot better, more premium, but this is definitely better than what it was. Okay, that's the box, right? So in the front you have that is a fade blade, and it has a crunch blade technology, which we're going to be talking about that in a little bit. On the side of the box is going to show you everything that is going to come with the clipper, and I'm very excited, I gotta be honest with you guys, because this clipper comes with the premium guards. I honestly hate the regular Wahl guards. I don't think they're good enough, so I'm super excited that I don't have to go and buy the premium guard separately. It comes with this clipper. I love that. I love the Wahl. That's like actually moving the right direction, in my opinion, offering, when you buy a premium clipper, it should come with the premium guards, in my opinion. So this is definitely a move in the right direction. Okay, so the box in the back, it just says it has a wide range fade blade. So one of the main reasons why people love the Legend, the one with the cord, and even this one, the cordless, is because the lever extends a little bit more. That means that it opens up to almost a 1. I'm gonna check if it's actually a 1 or not, but I know it opens more than the normal blade, clippers. So this is a huge advantage, because you can actually, you don't have to switch that many guards to get to that number 1. You can actually use just this lever for that. So that's gonna be definitely a game changer for many people, and it's gonna allow people to fade faster. So super pumped about that. It has a metal blade, which is kind of cool. It has a metal blade, and it says here on the bottom it has an LED indicator to let you know if the battery is running out, or that's pretty cool, right? It comes with the 8 premium guards, which is pretty cool. It has a crunch blade technology, which, if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, the crunch blade technology, it's the same found on the Magic Clip, which means that the blade is it has the stagger blade, right? Some of the teeth are longer than the other, which it kind of helps fade a little bit easier, because it's kind of like a thinning shear. So I'm not completely sure about this. If I'm wrong, please correct me on the comments below, guys. It has a wide range blade adjustment lever, which is pretty cool. It could be used cordless or corded, and it has a battery with a runtime of 100 minutes, which it's normal. I mean, I feel Wahl doesn't put big batteries in their clippers. They're actually small, so the battery time is not the greatest, but there's companies like Tune 45, for example, that makes bigger batteries, so that's always an upgrade. But I'm gonna be honest with you, even without the upgraded battery, my Wahl clippers, they last. I don't have a problem. I mean, very efficient with the way I use my clippers, so they last even if they don't have the biggest battery. But I feel nowadays, with all the companies are putting bigger batteries on the clippers and all that, I think that that would be a big improvement if Wahl starts adding more use time on the batteries. So now let's open the package. So we're gonna push this up. Right, this goes to the side. We got the box here, it says Wahl, Then we're going, this is a nice box, by the way. I love white, it looks so nice. I'm gonna open the clipper, right? Pretty cool. All right, and this is what we got. This is what we got right now, okay? And the box was, I mean, it was moving everywhere, so I guess it's not the nicest unboxing experience that you're ever gonna have with a clipper, but it works, right? It's just a box. So I'm gonna show you guys first what comes in the box, right? So we have the new charger, and what I mean new is because the tip of the charger is different now. So that means that the old, if you have like an older charger, is not going to work in this clipper. So this is the new port, the new connector that Wahl has been using in their clippers now. So just always keep that in mind, okay? What else we got? Let's see what else we got here. We got, which I'm super excited, we have the premium guards. Awesome, I love the premium guards. They're my favorite guards, I'm gonna be honest with you. And you know, we have the almighty 1/16 and 1.5. And we have the clipper, the comb that comes with a lot of the Wahl guards. This is a great comb. I don't personally use it, to be honest with you guys, but it is a great comb. And that's it. It just has the documents, and we have the little oil that comes with all the clippers and the little brush, which is useful for the people that use it. I'm gonna put the box next to it. I'm gonna show you guys the clipper. So this is the Wahl Legend, Cordless Legend. It's actually a very nice looking clipper. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The first time I saw pictures of it, I was kind of like a little bit disappointed because I was expecting Wahl to do something different. Wahl has been kind of recycling a lot of their designs, which is not a bad thing. Some people enjoy the old school designs, but honestly, like in the new era where like all the clipper companies are making you know, crazy looking clippers that are customizable, like you can choose the colors and all that. Wahl just kind of doing the same. It just kind of feels that it's just being like they're recycling their stuff, so nothing feels new. Everything kind of feels like it's old school, and that Wahl is just redoing the same stuff, right? I would say, but now that I have the clipper in my hand, it does look nice, right? It's definitely not gonna win in the looks department compared to all the clippers, but it's still a nice looking clipper. Definitely, I would love to see Wahl create something a little bit different, more modern, maybe with different colors, something that we haven't seen yet. I think it will definitely show the barber community that Wahl is like kind of like trying to be modern and trying to give barbers what they want, because right now, just from hearing what barbers have been talking about, they just feel like Wahl is just not in for the barber industry. They're just there to make money, and because of their designs are so uninspiring, they're not kind of making it new, and that's the stuff that I have heard before. So, but honestly, it's a nice looking clipper in my opinion, so I'm super excited for that. The lever, it is definitely metal, which is you know, it's pretty cool, and it does open up all the way to the bottom, which I'm very excited about it. Let's look at the blade. It is a fade blade, you guys can see, and the teeth are not a staggered teeth now that I look at them. So I actually don't know what the crunch technology is about. I'm gonna have to like find out and ask, or maybe ask Wahl about it, what it is, because now I'm very curious about what it is. The clipper is very light. I was expecting it to be a little bit heavier. If you guys know, I love my Wahl Seniors. It's my #1 clipper, and it's metal. I love the extra weight. I like it, my clippers to be a little bit heavier, not like super heavy, but a little bit heavier, and I do like the metal feel. This is all plastic, which is not a bad thing. That means that it's probably not gonna get hot that quickly, and also it's gonna be a lot nicer because it's a lot lighter, so you're not gonna get as tired as quickly, right? So those are things that are very important, right? Let's go ahead and turn it on and see how we're gonna hear how it sounds. Okay, it sounds very similar to other Wahl clippers, which makes me think that the motor inside is probably similar to like a Magic Clip or like a Seniors. It does feel a little bit more powerful than the Magic Clip, so maybe it has like a Wahl Senior's motor in it, right? But that's something I have to find out. And how you guys saw, every time when I turn on the clipper, the little light here started flashing, which is you know, that's pretty cool. I guess maybe changes colors when it's running out of battery, and also maybe when you plug it to charge it, hopefully like it lets you know once it's done charging. That would be pretty cool. I love to see machines that have the little screen or the numbers, things like that, to let you know how much battery is left on the clipper, right? So that's something I would love to see from Wahl as well. And overall, I'm super excited to use this clipper. Like I said, I've been waiting for a long time for this clipper. You guys know I'm a Wahl fan, so I love to see every time Wahl drops something new. So I'm super excited for this clipper, and you guys should be excited as well. I'm sure it's gonna cut amazingly. And at the end of the day, you know, like a lot of companies come out with these amazing clippers, but my opinion, for me, I always go back to Wahl. It just feels very comfortable in my hand. That's one thing I didn't talk about. It feels very comfortable, which to me is very important. The clipper can be the best clipper, but if it's not comfortable in my hand, I'm probably not gonna use it, right? So that's one thing I forgot to mention, is it feels very comfortable, which is obviously a plus. And that's it, guys. This is my first impression of the clipper. I'm definitely gonna start using it, and I'm gonna, how I said, my barbers are gonna start using it, and then we're gonna go from there. I want to do a review in a couple of weeks, maybe a month, just to make sure that I fully use it. I put it through all the phases to make sure that, you know, I give you the best feedback, the best review possible, and I'll let you guys know if this is something that you guys should have, or maybe you should pass. All right, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. If you guys have any questions about this clipper, leave in the comments below so I can actually use those questions for the review. And that's it. Don't forget to share this video on your Instagram, tag me so I can repost you. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.